Hi, I'm Martin White here at the World Food Innovation Awards with Graham Fox, who is the Business Development Manager at TrakRap, who have just won in the Best Manufacturing and Processing Technology category in the World Food Innovation Awards. Graham, how does it feel to win this award?
Well, it's a fabulous achievement for the company. We've got an innovative designed machine which not only functions well in terms of production but also offers an opportunity for companies to reduce their CO2 emissions, which obviously is very important at this time.
So what inspired the creation of the technology? Was sustainability really the key factor now that it's such a rising trend?
Well, the machine was developed before sustainability became the rising trend, but it was designed with that in mind, and the fact that you use less energy, in fact up to 90% less energy, which is unusual, but it's very, very good if you compare that to traditional wrapping machines.
Do you think that because the sustainability trend has taken off in recent years, that's provided a boost to your business in recent times?
Oh, absolutely. We're also already engaging with major supermarkets about reducing CO2 emissions and recycling the material that's used on the machine, which is fully recyclable. And we're trying to achieve a closed-loop recycle system with the supermarkets.
Have you been encouraged by recent efforts from UK retailers and the government in terms of trying to do that, or do you think that there's more that can be done?
Well, there's obviously a lot more that can be done, and I'm sure that a lot more will be done in the future, but our machine gives people an opportunity to at least get on the ladder with regard to CO2, reducing CO2 emissions and recycling plastic.
And do you think that winning this category in the World Food Innovation Awards will provide a further boost to your business?
Well, I'm hoping so. That's why we're here, and I'm very pleased that we've won this award, and obviously we can use that as a platform to promote what we're doing in the industry.
Graham, congratulations once again, and thank you for joining me.
Thank you.